Today I'm preparing a Nepali cuisine, a Nepali mixed vegetable curry, which I learned from one of my Nepali friend. This is the way she always prepares. So first I have to heat some oil, vegetable oil, or you can use mustard oil as well. Here I am using the vegetable oil, and then I am adding some fenugreek or methi seeds. Once the smell, the aroma comes out, I'll add the ginger garlic paste and saute for a couple of minutes. And then I am adding some beans, that is called Lima bean or butter bean. You can find it in Nepal or Sikkim or in hill areas. And this is really very good taste. And some flat beans as well. And then I am adding some chopped tomato, carrot, and any kind of vegetable you have, you can add it. I don't have cauliflower, else I can add that as well, and some chopped tomatoes. Then I have to saute for a couple of minutes, and then I have to cover it for few minutes. After that, open the lid, and then I will add some masalas and the spices. They are very simple. I use some red chili powder, coriander powder, and after that I have this cumin powder, salt, turmeric powder, and a special thing, that is I am using Kitchen King masala. So if you don't have the Kitchen King, you can use that Sabji masala as well. So this is how we prepare that, and you have to mix it very well and then cover it for a couple of minutes. Once the vegetables are softened, and you have to cook it for a couple of minutes, and then you can serve it with roti or rice. This is a very simple recipe of Nepal, or you can say hill area, and you have to try it at home. And I can say that this is very nice, very simple recipe. Just follow the step the way I am preparing it. And of course, for this kind of recipes, please subscribe my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Like this recipe, try it at home, subscribe it, and share it to your friends and everybody, and surprise them with the Nepali cuisine. Masala, I have this red chili powder, this is coriander powder, this is Kitchen King masala. If you don't have, you can use the Sabji masala, and this is cumin powder, salt, turmeric powder, and this is a methi, yeah, fenugreek. I'm using it.